Hi, I'm Suzanne.
And I'm Michelle.
We are Jamaican sisters, business partners, foodies, and well-known lovers of Caribbean culture.
And we want you to journey with us to meet some of our friends, old and new, as we drop in on them for some island potluck.
Get to know all the quirky and creative characters we meet and share in some good food, drink, conversation, laughter, and all-round wicked island vibes.
Make no mistake, this is the real deal.
Showing you what it is to live, work, and play in what is home for us.
It's so cool.
So awesome.
It looks like there's people in it.
I know. It's like a Ford Model T. I want to know the story of this car.
Oh my word.
All
Cool.
right, let's get inside.
Yeah, man.
It's so lovely.
And look at the swing. I wonder if Jason is here.
So quaint. Yeah. Oh my God. It's
Yes.
so exciting.
Hi.
Hi, Suzanne. How you doing?
Lovely.
see
Oh,
We're so glad to
welcome
get back
again.
here.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
What are you going to cook for us today? I'm hungry already.
We actually want you to cook for us today.
Oh, okay.
What your food? But we have to ask you. What's
We
the story
always
with the
wonder.
car?
Oh, my God. I saw that car down the road. This Rasta man called John Deere had it. And a good friend, Dickie Jobson, was buying another car. So I went with him. And I said, why don't send me that other car as well? The wrecker is here. And he's like, all right, give me 100 US. So the wrecker put it here. I went away for a few days. I came back and my mother had just made it into a sign for Jakes. And I was like, that's probably the best thing you could have done because I'd have spent gazillions of dollars.
So it actually was somebody's car that they drove.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes. So when
yeah,
you got it, it worked or it didn't work?
No, it didn't work.
Yeah.
It's really, it's a
Yeah.
fantastic idea. And we
It's
love
It's
it.
pretty cool.
Yeah,
So,
It sets the tone for the entire Jake's
Yes,
experience.
exactly.
You know?
So can we get inside
Let's-
and have a
yeah,
look?
absolutely.
Everywhere
Let's
else?
do it.
Come on.
Excellent.
Three words to describe Treasure Beach and Jake's.
unique, community, and inspiration. I think that, we have a huge opportunity with agritourism. 3 years ago, we started doing these farm-to-table dinners.
Yes, of course.
Which we know about, and they're
Which you know about
lovely.
because you've been guests.
Yes, we were.
And,
and it's
those
lovely.
have been a huge success.
Were you
so-
the first ones to do the farm to table here in
Yes,
Jamaica?
yes, we were.
Yeah.
We started 3 years ago. And a girl called Liz Soames, who used to work for Slow Food.
Yeah, we
in
know
New
the
York.
slow food
Yeah.
movement
Right.
and everything.
So, we worked with organic farmers, and it's on the Saturday night closest to full moon. And we have a long table, as you know, of 36
Yeah.
people, and
Beautiful.
those have been a massive success. In 1991, Mom bought this property with its old house on it, which was 100 years old. And there was nowhere to eat in the area. So she was like, okay, I guess I'm going to start a restaurant. I was in investment banking in Montego Bay.
I didn't even know you were in
I'd come
investment
down
banking.
and see her. And then I was like, let's buy the land next door and build rooms and turn it into a hotel.
Yes.
So she's like, okay, if you'll come down and run it, because I'm not a business person.
I understand this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I joined her in '95.
Yes.
And then that's when we started building out the rooms.
The other thing, of course, about Jake's is this very iconic style, that sort of symbolic, it's like boho chic, that is really
Right.
your style. I mean, I think it's now synonymous with here. What is, inspiration for that? And
Well,
you
I
know-
would have to let my mother tell you about that.
Wow, this is lovely.
Yes, I want to get
See
inside.
this wonderful room, my mother.
Hi! Good to see you.
You too.
Hi, Sally.
Hi, Suzanne.
We're dying to come inside and hear
Oh,
all
my
about
word, yes.
your
Okay.
amazing
new
style.
creation.
This is Cephas too.
C
Excellent.
plus 2. Love
Lovely
it,
name
love
too.
it.
Come in.
Hello, little doggy. Thanks, Jason.
Beautiful.
Great room. Love
We
this
love.
room. Yes, love.
Love the Jake's rooms. Sally, tell us a little bit about this, iconic style that Jake's represents. We know that you are the inspiration and the creator of it, so we'd love to hear, about how.
When I bought the property and started building Jake's, I wanted to keep the buildings in line with what was already here. Because don't forget I was here from the 40s and I saw those tiny little houses and they had little gingerbread and all painted bright different colors, and so I just wanted to keep Jake's in line with that. And then, of course, I have Gaudi's influence.
Yes, you can
Yes.
see that with the bottles and the shapes and
Yes,
stuff.
Yes. And I have I said if I ever wrote a book, it's going to be called "If It's Not Broken, It's Not Mine." So I have this thing about putting broken bottles and pieces of china and thing in the wall, and that started the mosaics.
So would you say that every room is a little bit different and has its own spin?
Every room is totally different.
And your inspiration comes from the space, I would imagine. When you look at that room,
Yes.
what you feel for that space, that's where you go.
Yes,
Really glad.
I'm so lucky, to have Jason, who has just taken my ideas and run with it, and just bought a plan so that I could build. And then on the other hand, Justine, she's looked after Perry's properties, and she's forever, the Harder They Come musical, and so we really work together. The father and the mother and the two children.
Yeah.
Yes, and you can see that. It really comes across in the property.
And that's the story of being Caribbean people and Jamaican
Yes.
people. Family, friendships,
Exactly.
Community.
food.
Exactly.
So it's great to see
Jake's
that
family,
here.
we think of ourselves as.
Yes,
we
you
like
are. And we really love it here, and thank you for giving us some of your time.
Yes,
Absolutely.
we're looking forward to lying out on the beach and
Absolutely.
getting some sun. Hi, doggy.
Hello, my dear.
What's up?
Everything going on fine? my
Yeah.
dear?
So we've had a very long day, and we are about to go to dinner, but we want to have a drink first. So
What do you recommend we have?
yeah.
Okay. You have the Jake Special Rum Punch.
So what is in that?
Well, we have like lime juice, sugar, Appleton rum. But,
best.
but, there is a but.
Oh,
Yes.
There's a special ingredient you can't tell us.
Special ingredients.
How did we
not-
guess?
not-
let's do a pineapple punch and a rum punch then.
Yes.
Yes, you can have a rum punch.
And what would you say is the most popular drink that the guests order when they come to have drinks here?
Well, they love my special rum punch.
Your
Right.
rum punch is most
And then they
popular.
love the Appleton rum.
We like Appleton rum and ginger beer.
Yes, a lot of them do the dark and stormy. That is dark and stormy
Right, dark and stormy.
Yeah, we love that too.
very much. So that's the pineapple punch.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is the doggy special rum.
Ooh.
So we've got to
got to
taste
try
both.
both.
Yes. Try
Cheers. Thank
Cheers.
you, doggy.
Thanks for the drink, doggy.
both. Good luck to you. Enjoy it.
Yes,
We will.
thank you.
Yes.
Delicious.
That's a kick. Let me
Yeah.
taste yours.
That's it.
This is a coconut rum.
Coconut
Oh,
rum.
coconut rum. Great.
But the
I like them both. This one is a little bit tartar, that's a little bit sweeter.
yeah, just a little
Well,
bit.
who is the tart assistant? Who's the sweeter one?
I suspect.
Well, it's
Maybe
special.
I should take this one. Because you need a little sweetening now.
Well, you sure she did. Maybe she's sweet enough.
Thank you,
I know
doggy.
you think so.
I would say.
Yeah.
She brighten out
Of
all
course,
the
I believe that, you know. I believe that, but I didn't want to use that word.
Oh, great. No, but they're both delicious.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. And
Thank you.
your trip